Hello everyone! In this lesson, we are going to talk about Facebook content management. First, let's talk about the difference between your Facebook business page and your personal profile. On your personal profile, you can follow your friends, you can see their photos or videos, or you can post anything for your friends to see. You can also see content from different Facebook pages that you follow and like, and from time to time you can see Facebook ads. On your Facebook business page, you can post any photos or videos that you want that are going to be updates about your business, and only your followers will see that content. So in that case, how do you actually manage your Facebook business page and why do you need it? First of all, Facebook page is very important to have in order for your customers to have a quick way to connect with you. If they have a question about your services or your product, it's the fastest way for them to ask you. In addition, if you want your customers to stay connected with your business, you want to update them with everything that is going on and everything that is important for them to know. Any kind of updates or any new products or services that you have, it's going to be interesting for them to know. So to answer the question, why do you actually need your Facebook business page? You need it in order to stay in touch with your customers, your current customers or your future customers.